Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. I hope 2020 is going amazing for everybody so far. So guys, we do have the full spoilers to the January Ipsy GlamBag Ultimate Box. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell is turned on. That way you don't miss another spoiler. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now, let's read the first comment in my last video, which were full spoilers for the Ipsy January GlamBag Plus box. Congratulations, Kimberly Simons. Kimberly says, Happy Sunday. I'm getting the warm brown palette, lip treatment, Dr. Scrub, contour brush, and eyeliner. Well, Kimberly, honey, that sounds like an amazing bag, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope your 2020 is treating you good. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now, again, here's the bag. Absolutely beautiful. It is marble. It's rose. I just love it. It just looks absolutely just perfect. I love this bag. And if you've been with me a while, guys, I don't ever name off every single product because usually during full spoilers, there's just too dang many to even name. And if you do want to see what Plus got in their box for January or the standard bag, I'm going to have those linked below. Now, those 2 videos should have went out right before this one. So if you don't see a link underneath this one whenever you're watching this, give me a few minutes. I'm trying to get it down there. But a lot of you already know what you're getting by now. So if you would, let us know down in the comments, which of these products are you getting? Because, you know, we're nosy like that. We love to know what everybody's getting. And, of course, they should start releasing February spoilers soon. So, again, make sure your bell's on, guys, because they don't set a date and time on that. But it should be any day now. And, of course, as soon as they start revealing anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know, I'm going to keep you in the loop. As always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Ayad Issa. I hope I said that right. If I didn't, I apologize. Anyways, she says thumbs up. Well, thank you so much, love. I really appreciate your support on my channel. And I hope 2020 is treating you good. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And, guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life. Is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribing. If you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. Then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all the spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.